Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ameena Saqeefa. Hope you all are doing well. In this episode, I'm going to share with you my favorite DIY scrub. Let's get started. So, we need only 3 ingredients for this scrub. I'm sure everyone has them in their kitchen. So let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm going to take is a lemon, and as you can see, I have peeled its edges so it will not hurt my skin. Next we need brown sugar and honey. All we have to do is dip lemon in some honey and then brown sugar. Okay, then just slowly massage it on your face. This mixture really detoxifies the skin, and there are more benefits of these items individually. For example, lemon really tightens pores and even out the skin tone, and the brown sugar has smaller particles than regular sugar, so it's a great gentle exfoliant since it can scrub away dead skin cells and make way for healthier skin. And honey is antibacterial. It helps the skin retain moisture. It lightens any dark spots on the skin, and it also fights both acne and wrinkles. Isn't that amazing? Okay, I'm done scrubbing. Now I will leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Our next step is cucumber ice cubes. They are very easy to make. Just grind them and freeze them. Simple. Okay, so massage it gently. You can also apply this on your eyes. Massage it all over your face until the ice cube melts, and then leave it on for about 7 to 10 minutes or until it's dry. Benefits of these cucumber ice cubes are that they reduce puffiness, and the ice reduces large pores and minimizes the production of excess oil. Also, rubbing it on your face before applying makeup will make your makeup last longer. Hey guys, I'm back. Now it's moisturizer time. Now I'll be using my favorite moisturizer, the Bebe Ecology White Skin Tone Unifying Cream. It has SPF 30 in it, and it also helps reduce my dark spots. Next, I'm gonna use my new favorite eye cream, the Filorga Optim Ice. Take a little bit on your finger and dab dots under your eyes, and then massage it really gently because that area is super sensitive. This is my 3rd week using this cream, and I can already see the difference. It's really reducing my puffiness and also brightening my under eyes. Then our final step is partially rose gold mist. It smells so good. My skin feels so good and it's really soft. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you guys. If you've tried it, then do tell me how your experience was. This is my personal favorite DIY, so I hope you liked it too. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn bell notifications on so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Stay safe. Bye bye.